Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you our new feature printer profiles and demonstrate how easy it is to set the default printer settings for a printer with ezeep. So let's say that you're an IT admin and you want to reduce printing costs for a particular printer. Let's say for example that you want to set black and white and duplex as a default printer setting for a particular printer. You can do this very easily with ezeep, and I'm going to show you how. All you need to do is click on Printer Profiles in the Printers tab and click on Add Profile. So I'm just going to give this a name. And I'm going to use the marketing printer as an example for this one. So now you can see that ezeep has read all the printer settings which are provided by this printer driver. So these are the ones that we can customize, and I'm just going to select the more economical settings here. I'm going to select grayscale as default, duplex as default. I can see that the resolution can also be customized here, so I'm just going to set this to the lowest setting. And I can see also that the tray is also possible to customize, and that's great because I know that this marketing printer always has recycling paper in tray 1 and glossy paper in tray 2. So I'm just going to select tray 1. Make sure that recycling paper gets prioritized first. I'm just going to hit create, and there we go. The printer profile has already been created. Now I just need to make sure that this printer profile is used by the marketing team members. So to do this, I'm just going to jump back to Network Printers and open up our assignment editor. And now I just need to make sure that the marketing team also has access to this printer. So I'm just going to search for the marketing team. Here it is. And I can see there's no printer profile here. Just going to click this box here. And here are the available printer profiles for this printer. There is only one. So I'm just going to select the economic printer settings profile and click done. And that's it. As you can see, it's really easy to create printer profiles with ezeep. There are a lot of possibilities here to save costs or improve efficiency in your company. And it's really intuitively handled. So do give it a go, and a free trial is available on our website.